harm or hurt anyone. That is the way to train our behavior. And the second part that we need to train is our mind. Our mind, or sometimes we call our thought, our mind or thought. The Buddha give us the way to train our mind that we call meditation. As I mentioned earlier, that meditation can train our mind. Like we use meditation to tame our monkey mind. That when you train your mind will have the quality of the mind that train. If you train the mind, your mind will have quality like your mind will be pure. Pure, that means not a lot of greed, hatred, anger, or delusion. Pure means full of loving kindness, full of compassion, a lot of positive thought. Your mind will be pure, and also your mind will be stable. Stable means the ordinary mind is mean up and down, up and down, up and down. Not stable, but the mind that was trained. If the people who have who train their mind will be stable, not up and down like this. Whatever circumstance is, they just calm. It doesn't mean that they not active, but they active, but they're not up and down. That is the second quality. The third quality is your mind will be active, ready to work. That is the quality of the mind that was trained. We train our mind by meditation. When you practice meditation, that means you train your mind. Because if you use meditation, maybe when you calm your mind down, when your mind calm down, it means you rest your mind. If you always let your mind wander, think about this, think about that, worry about this or worry about that, then it looks like your mind tired.